Hi, from Great Lakes Ski. We thought we'd share this video with you where we sailed course to the Indians, which is not even 6 nautical miles south of Roadtown in the British Virgin Islands, so just a little bit past Peter Island on the west side. Anyway, it's a pretty nice sail across the channel. Anyway, it's pretty easy to grab a mooring there. There's quite a few around the Indians from the national parks moorings. And I guess just take your pick and jump overboard. It's maybe about 40 feet there under the vessel, but once you get near those, actually the Indians, the rocks, you can snorkel right around the sides and you can look down. The clarity is usually really nice. It's very steep, same as above water, so the rocks are almost the same angle underwater, but lots to look at, lots of coral, lots of fish. Really beautiful. Yes. Okay. And actually, I was just snorkeling. Visibility is quite good. I mean, this was just filmed with an Olympus underwater camera, so nothing more particular than a point and shoot, but just really nice to let the light down to these depths. Lots to be able to see. Beautiful. Yeah, and I guess a few notes, just as beautiful as it is, when you're snorkeling near the surface, there's a fair amount of fire coral here. Alcohol coral, fire coral. Usually the butterfly fish don't have sometimes they decide they'll hang around a little bit. And these are some of the underwater rocks you can see there. Really colorful filefish. Video of later. Really pretty how they can change color. Like one of the nesting fish chased him away. Usually when you see those three shells, there's an octopus hanging around. I couldn't find him that day, but it's there somewhere. Gorgeous coral down there. I mean, the camera just doesn't do it justice because it doesn't have an external light, but just the color is stunning. Flamingo tongue, really pretty to find them. Very colorful as well. I think most of these were filmed maybe 35 to 40 feet. You're not too far from the Indians. It's not so deep there, although it slowly drops off. As you probably saw in some of the video, there's a lot of these blue chromie there, which are really nice to look at. Yeah, they're there. Not big, but very, very bright blue.